Hey, this is James McGar with Daniels Manufacturing Corporation. We're here at the HAI Heli-Expo in Dallas, Texas. Come join us. Okay, now that you've seen the show, let me show you what Daniels Manufacturing does. We manufacture all the crimp tools for the wiring systems in aircraft. We also manufacture maintenance kits for particular airframes. So whether you're flying a Bell 206 or a Robinson, we probably have a kit to meet your needs. This particular kit here is a DMC 441. It's designed for the Bell 206 helicopter. It'll have all the tools that you will require for the wiring systems in that aircraft, to crimp all the connectors, contacts, lugs, splices, environmental splices. We also manufacture custom kits designed for your specifications. A combo kit, if you had a couple of different airframes like a Bell 412 or an R44, we can combine both of those kits so you won't have duplicate tools, but you'll have all of the connector data that you'll require for those airframes. It'll list all the connectors, all the contacts, the wire gauges, tools, positioners, insertion removal tools. Another product that DMC manufactures is safety cable. Safety cable is a replacement for traditional safety wire. It's got an end cap on one end and it's fused on the other. It's already got the required amount of twist per inch. We make safety cable in different diameters, 20, 32, 40, and 60. The 20 is approved from 20 to 26, the 32 is approved from 32 to 38, and the 40 is approved from 40 to 46. We make the cable in different lengths as well. It comes in 12, 15, 18, 21, and 24-inch lengths. This is a piece of 18-inch 32. When you remove safety wire or safety cable will come off in two pieces. That way, if you lose one, you can find, the other piece. One of them's got an end cap on one end, and one of them's got a crimped ferrule. So we're going to take the fused end of the cable, and we're going to feed it through our bolt pattern. Safety cable uses the positive tension method, but it's also approved for a neutral safety if you get into a neutral position. After we feed the cable through our bolt pattern, we're going to take our cartridge with ferrules. We're going to insert our cable into the ferrule, put a ferrule on the cable. Now this tool right here is a safety cable tool with a rotary tension knob. This particular tool has a 7-inch nose, but we make the noses in 3, 5, 7, and 9-inch lengths. We're going to feed the cable through the nose of the tool. The ferrule is going to seat down in the nose of the tool, and then we're going to wrap the cable around the tension wheel. The tension wheel has ball bearings in there, and it's a slip clutch type mechanism. So this is what's going to put the tension or apply the tension to the cable. We're going to give it a couple of turns. We're going to keep the nose flush with the bolt, and then we're going to crimp it and cut it in one motion. The tension wheel will catch your FOD so you can retain it and throw it away upon use. Okay, hopefully that was helpful. Look forward to seeing you at next year's Heli-Expo in Atlanta, Georgia.